This is an Altura AP305C flash. Flashes like this are compatible with all brands of camera, but this one specifically is compatible with Canon only. This is a very handy and practical accessory that every photographer needs to have in his or her camera bag. Inside the box, it comes with the flash unit, a flash stand, and a protective pouch. But we'll cover them in detail now. The flash, as you can see, comes in a protective pouch that to the touch, it feels very high quality and aesthetically good looking. I can appreciate the branding in the pouch. If you're a wedding photographer or a run and gun photographer or simply a beginner photographer, this is a flash that's not only great for its price, but also easy to use. The flash doesn't come with a lot of buttons or settings. It comes with a scroller that will let you easily go through the settings and the intensity of the flash. The flash is very versatile when it comes to aiming it at different places, which will help you get a seamless light compared to a harsher light. It also comes with a diffuser on top to help you achieve an even more diffused and seamless exposure. You turn it on by pressing the power button and you connect it to the camera by the hot shoe and tightening the screw. This specific flash is powered by battery. It takes two AA batteries, but you can also connect it with an Android USB cable there in the middle. And lastly, the flash comes with a flash stand to put the flash without having to connect it to the camera with a tripod connector at the bottom. Of course, the flash comes with a user manual inside that will answer any questions that you might still have after watching this video. Still, you can leave us a comment down below. And that's it. This is the Altura AP305C flash. You can get everything in this video with the link in the description. Thank you for watching and remember to follow.